Assalamu alaikum. I am saying sentences with doesn't. He doesn't go to school. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't brush his teeth. He doesn't go to washroom.
No, I cannot allow you to say the same verb.
He doesn't give. He doesn't take. He doesn't draw. He doesn't write. He doesn't read. He doesn't sleep.
I am saying sentences with doesn't. He doesn't eat. He doesn't walk. He doesn't go outside. He doesn't talk. He doesn't keep. He doesn't to take. He doesn't break. He doesn't catch. He doesn't tell. He doesn't sell. He doesn't buy. He doesn't give. He doesn't talk. He doesn't speak. He doesn't write. He doesn't brush.
Now I am going to say some sentences with doesn't. He doesn't walk. He doesn't eat. He doesn't go to school. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't want to do anything. He doesn't want to speak. He doesn't talk. He doesn't draw. He doesn't eat. He doesn't sit. He doesn't break. He doesn't want to go anywhere.
Don't use want many times. You have to say different verb. He doesn't come.
He doesn't come. He doesn't
Bring.
He doesn't bend. He doesn't sweep. He doesn't weep. He doesn't sew. I am saying sentences with doesn't. He doesn't eat. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't go. He doesn't draw. He doesn't speak. He doesn't shake. He doesn't buy. He doesn't sell. He doesn't tell. He doesn't call. He doesn't make. He doesn't drive. He doesn't run. He doesn't walk. He doesn't drive. He doesn't swim. He doesn't play. He doesn't brush his teeth. He doesn't cook. He doesn't bring. He doesn't cook. He doesn't.
Assalamu alaikum. I am saying some sentences with doesn't. He doesn't play. He doesn't cook. He doesn't run. He doesn't walk. He doesn't talk. He doesn't drive. He doesn't swim. He doesn't send. He doesn't lend. He doesn't paid. He doesn't walk. He doesn't go to bed.
Thank you so much.